Number 14 was starting kind of a new topic. It wants us to find a side of a triangle given two angles and one side. So let's draw this triangle out. Let's see. A would be a obtuse angle. So let's make this A, and that's 114 degrees. So A, B is 36 degrees, and C is over here. So this would be B, and this would be A, and you're given that's 42, and this is C. So you can see I can use the law of sines right here because I have the angle and the side across from it. So let's just say that the sine of 114 degrees over 42 is equal to, I want B, so the sine of 36 degrees over B. So B is equal to 42 sine of 36 degrees over the sine of 114 degrees, and I get 27.0 for the length of the side. Number 16 has us solve the triangle and round everything to the nearest tenth. So we're given all three sides, and we need to be able to find an angle. So we're going to start with angle C. So I can say that I'm going to use the law of cosines, which would say 8 squared would be equal to 22 squared plus 17 squared minus 2 times 22 times 17 times the cosine of C. So C would be equal to the inverse cosine of 22 squared plus 17 squared minus 8 squared over 2 times 22 times 17. So I end up with C is 18.6 degrees. So I've got 18.6 degrees. And now I can use the law of sines to say sine of 18.6 over 8 is equal to the sine of A over 17. And so A is the sine negative 1 of 17 sine 18.6 over 8. And so for A, I got 42.7. And then adding the three angles up and two angles up and subtracting, I got B is 118.7 degrees. So we have measure of angle A equals 42.7 degrees. The measure of angle B is equal to 118.7 degrees, and the measure of angle C is 18.6 degrees. So that's how I did number 16.